Oh, what's up kawan-kawan? Aku baru balik daripada kerja. So that means I finally got to my parcel. uh, this one came from Chuyen Tactical. Aku dah tak senang duduk kat office tadi kan. Tapi kena gagahkan dan sabar untuk aku habiskan waktu kerja yang balik rumah. So I got to it. Aku tak buka lagi. Let's open this together. So it'll be an unboxing and then I'll do a first impressions of what I think about the product. Fiskas. Parcel opener. Terbaik. Tapi kena careful sikit bila buka, takut terkena kat barang. Okay, tak kena. Alrighty. Apa ni? Oh, aku beli strap yang crossbody. Alright. Okay. Okay. Let's pull this out. Style. Got a good weight to it. Excited ni, tapi aku barai, seriously. It was a long day. Oh, jatuh pula. Saan Alright, dah settle. Kerusi boleh terjatuh. Aduh, yang beli dulu. Alright. CT10. Okay. Let's discover it together. Yang ni kita simpan dulu. Mana tahu nak jual balik. Okay. Dia punya shape dia, aku perasan dia lebih kurang CT15 but it is smaller. Right. Kat luar ni ada satu compartment that goes all the way down. Macam CT15, CT21 juga. And dekat dalam ni ada macam organizer panels. So dia ada pocket, ada pen pockets macam tu. Cool. Front macam CT15 dan CT21 juga, dia ada velcro panel kat depan dengan molly loops. There are also molly loops kat tepi tapi tak banyak. And ada juga dekat bawah. Probably kalau kita nak mount apa-apa hook and clips, kata nak gantung baju ke, jacket ke apa-apa, you got it. But this is the thing that is new. Dia ada molded back panel tau. And feels very solid. Bukan yang lembik-lembik macam tu, no. This thing is cool. Alright. But I also noticed because dia ada molded back panel macam ni, dia tak ada the hidden back panel pocket macam CT21 and CT15. So we got one less compartment to put in. But I guess that's not what it's meant for. Okay, right. Jom kita buka. Have a look inside. So it comes with two straps that you can put on. Sekejap kita letak. Okay. Aku dapat the early bird ni, so dia ada the office kit kat dalam ni. We'll talk more about it later. Okay. Now, here's the part that's slightly different from the CT15 or the CT21. Selalunya CT15, CT21 mesh pocket dia punya zip kat atas ni tau. Over here. Which requires you to open the bag from the top and flick it inside so that you need to reach down. Like that. But this is designed a bit differently. Okay. dia punya zipper dia daripada tepi. Sini ada. Kat sini pun ada tak? Okay. Kejap lagi kita bincang kenapa dia buat design macam ni. Dan dekat atas ni ada another pocket. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, the office kit. Dia ada velcro so that it doesn't bounce around when you're carrying stuff. The office kit itself, ni kita tengok, aku boleh buka benda ni. Alright. Okay, let's remove it for a while. Okay. Jatuh pula slip clip aku satu. Mana lagi? Oh, bawah meja. Tak apa. I'll pick it up later. So, the office kit ni, dia ada 2 compartments, right? So most probably this can fit a small laptop or a tablet. Dia punya padding antara dua ni very tebal. So if you're putting a tablet inside, aku rasa kau tak payah takut lah kalau dia bounce ke dia hit something hard, because this thing is more than enough to absorb the impact and protect your screen. There is also another pocket kat depan ni, tapi dia tak ada padding tu. So aku rasa since it's an office kit, this is where you put your documents. Ada pun notebook, files, paper, contracts, you know, all that good stuff. And dia ada lagi satu compartment depan ni which feels very elastic. So this is probably where you put your laptop cables, your plugs, your mouse, accessories and stuff like that. Dan kat belakang ni macam aku cakap tadi, dia ada velcro so that dia melekat dekat the back of the backpack kat sini, so that it doesn't bounce around. Yeah. So it's very solid. But there is one thing I want to try. What if I don't want to take the office kit? Can it work with the admin panel that they have been selling for the CT10 and the CT21? Jom kita try. Boleh masuk. Nice. Nice. So if I want to use the admin panel untuk CT15 dengan CT21 pun boleh tak? So kata korang tak nak bawa the office kit ni kan, because probably you don't have a, like me, you don't have a tablet or a small laptop. So kalau aku bawa laptop aku besar gedabak, aku guna CT21, so you might not need this one. You can use this one instead, right? Tak nak pakai langsung pun tak apa, so dia jadi macam open backpack, right? So there you go. It can also fit the admin panel, right? Sekejap sorry, video ni akan panjang sikit sebab aku banyak benda nak bercakap and banyak benda nak discover. So aku nak discover dengan korang. Aku tak pernah, besides the pictures yang Enal post tadi, aku tak pernah nampak direct this particular backpack. Sekejap sangkut lah pula. Silk clip sangkut. Aduh. Tak apa, aku remove dulu. Nanti korang pandang-pandang. Okay. So this is the naked backpack. Tak ada apa-apa kat dalam. There's a lot of space. Velcro panel. So kalau korang katakan korang tak nak pakai admin panel tu, ataupun korang tak nak pakai office kit dia, but you've got smaller pouches with hook bags for velcro, then you can stick them on. Kalau korang tak nak juga nak letak patches pun boleh. Kalau tak nak letak apa-apa pun boleh. So it becomes an open backpack lah, macam saya cakap. Right. Okay. Now this is the functionality. Okay. backpack ni dia ada quad zipper system tau, which means there's 2 here and there are 2 here, right? Now, why did they make it that way? Okay, kata korang tengah carry bag ni, right? And then you want to quick access, right? Kau buka halfway je macam ni, reach inside and you can already access this pocket from the side and take things inside, right? There you go, see, nampak? Kau boleh ambil. Okay lah, let's demonstrate again So aku letak my Fiskas inside. Colour dia matching ah. Oh nice. Okay, aku letak Fiskas aku kat dalam. Like that. Okay. So okay. So kata aku tengah carry backpack tu, I carry it sideways daripada depan. So kita buka ni halfway je, put this down and you can already access your Fiskas. You get what I'm saying? So it works both sides. Macam ni pun boleh reach, belah sini pun boleh reach. Kalau korang carry macam ni and korang nak reach from the bottom, pun boleh, right? See? So that is the purpose of the quad system, the quad zipper system, which I think is pretty nice because you can reach your stuff from both sides from the side tu. Belah kanan boleh, belah kiri boleh. So kalau korang tengah carry backpack korang, katakan pergi jalan mana-mana orang ramai kan, tak adalah korang kena buka pada atas, seluk dalam macam tu, tak payah. Daripada tepi macam ni korang carry, okay, front carry backpack kan, angkat, zip, reach. So you technically don't need to open your whole bag to reach the pocket inside. Nice, nice. Okay, this is the strap. Tebal, tebal gila. Nice ni, jom let's put it on. Betul ke buat ni? Oh tak, salah. Alright. Sorry, noob. Okay. Apologize guys if I'm fumbling around so much. First time working this thing, so sambil aku bercerita kat korang, aku tengah discover juga. Right. Okay, first strap's on. Ui, dah 13 minit. Gila lah. Gotta keep it short so that you guys don't get bored, right? But there's so much to talk about for this backpack because it's new. You know what I mean? Alright. Done. So it looks like when you sling it. Mak ai kena adjust ni. Tak apa, aku akan adjust to my size later. So, okay. That's how it's gonna look like on your back. Boleh nampak ke? Oh, okay. Boleh nampak. Right. So, okay. And then, the modular part of it is, kata korang tak nak bawa backpack ni, tak nak bawa as a backpack, you want to use as sling instead. That is also possible. If I can get this thing off. Okay. Ketat, barang baru. Okay. Macam mana lah? Wow. This thing is very tight. Aku tak nak fumble lagi lah, it's taking too much time. But I'll try and do it this one so that you can see. Oh, ay. Kerai. Okay. Right. Then we can move it to this side. So kat dalam. Tu je jadi satu punya side. So korang boleh jadi single sling. See? So now you've got this one way single sling, and if you want extra, kita boleh cut satu kat sini and masuk kat sana. Jadi macam body punya pack lah. Right. Okay. So I'm gonna try and discover more about this backpack. So aku rasa weekend ni aku akan carry probably for the rest of the next week. And if I discover anything extra, I'll let you guys know. But for the moment, dia punya solid dia sama macam CT21, CT15. Very solid. Aku rasa this is probably nampak macam 1000D. Nampak macam lah, rasa macam 1000D. Tapi aku kena verify. Tengok balik diorang punya specs. Right, so this is the CT10. Right, more information will come as I use this and I discover more things. But for the moment, it's a very interesting backpack. The bag I think needs a little getting used to sebab usually kita soft bag kan, kita dah biasa. This is not. But the good thing about this kind of hard bags is that it keeps your posture straight tau. Dia tak curve ikut the curve of the bag like kain punya. So ergonomic wise, this is going to help also, right? But we'll put this to the test and see if that is true. And I will update you guys as we go along. Okay? Right. So I'm going to try and play around with this some more and then probably get some sleep. And talk to you guys more in the next video. Danny out. Bye. Good night. Ngantuk. Oh, ciao.